the Pats, they touched 3. Now it's down to 2.5, which is interesting to me. I got it at 2.5. We talked about it. We love Bill Belichick in this spot.
Yeah.
Why did it go to 2.5? Who's playing the Jets?
The pros. It's a home divisional dog with a great defense. But me and you don't care. We will walk into this trap. We will trust the numbers that Belichick against these quarterbacks who are terrible. These are the games he wins. Like this Patriot defense. And if you're scared of this and you just want to take the under, I totally get it. The under is insanely low. It's like 37.5. Like that's a tough play where I think it's just safer going with this Patriots team that I trust them to put the points up. Like I see ways for Mac to drive the field and get points for me. And with Zach Wilson and how horrible that that Jets offensive line is, I just don't see it. I mean, you can look at the numbers right now through 2 games. Them and Pittsburgh are giving up the most pressure right now. And they're 2 teams that anytime they're playing against really good defensive lines, Chad, me and you are always going to kind of be skewed to the other team. So it's a nice matchup for this Patriots team. It's a must-win, desperate team. They know they're staring 0-3 in the face. So we could be walking to the trap, Chad. Like we always say that when they move it from 3 to 2.5 and they're letting you take the favorite, it's always a little scary. But I'll walk in and I'll take this and I'll back Belichick in this spot. So another team that we like the favorite and the pros do like the dog.
So look, it could very well we got screwed with this on the Browns in the exact same situation with almost the exact same number, right?
Yeah.
Better defense, crazy, quirky things happen in the NFL. It is a tremendous risk. And maybe like I feel like the Patriots have gotten unlucky in a couple of games. And we've talked about this, like in the luck rankings, they are the most unlucky team after 2 weeks. And
that
the
makes
gap
sense.
here is so we're playing the percentages from a luck rankings point of view. And I trust that as much as anything. Like that has become sort of, for me, a huge factor when thinking about these games. The percentage of coverage for a team that has been unlucky in this position is north of 60%. So I'm not uncomfortable with this at all. I've marked it down, Pats minus 2.5, as a near mortal lock for the contest.
Yeah, I think people are just off of the Belichick thing. I mean, I had 2 pros with me yesterday, and they were just bad mouthing him. I made them come inside, and I made them watch that Rams Patriots Super Bowl, and it's just like this is why Belichick's one of the greatest coaches ever. He totally took away everything McVay wanted to do on that offense, and I think people just forget that because he did have Brady, who was incredible, but this man defensively is so smart. And then you go back and watch this year. Now that he has the players, look what he did against the Eagles in week 1, and then last week against Miami. That was really, if you go back and watch the film, it was really brilliant how he used his pieces to take away Tyreek Hill and said, we'll let you guys beat us running the ball, but you're not going to beat us with Waddle and Tyreek Hill, which that's everything you want to see out of the Patriots defense. Like he put his team in the best position to win. They just think I'm through on offense. We think this week, finally, Mac Jones will get over that hump and get that first win this week.
Christian Gonzalez was so freaking good.
Yeah.
In that game against the Dolphins. He did not look like a guy playing his second NFL game. Just didn't.